Good morning, guys. My subscriber. We're camping right now on our way to Chicago. We're at a 7-Eleven. I said 7-Eleven. Let me see. Oh, man. Where's 7-Eleven? Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go back to sleep in a minute. Yeah. Let me see how. Yeah. We're in a truck stop. We just want to camp out here till on our SUV till like an hour from now, and then we head to the road, back on the road. Oh man, it's nice. Well, you could save some money for a hotel, but anyway, yeah. Look at all that truck stop. The 7-Eleven. Well, we're going to Walmart. It's supposed to be a camp at Walmart for the night. But we were so tired. Alright, man. See ya. Just woke up again. Overslept, I think, but I'm gonna use the 7-Eleven's restroom and heading to Chicago soon. Alright, it's like 15 or 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It's really cold. But anyway, let me go check the restroom. Oh, I think she's still sleeping too. Alright. Oh man, it's cold. Camping here. Whew. Oh my God. It's not good. Alright, just got done. It's really cold, man. 15 degrees. It's not snowing. Oh man. But hey, save some money. Save some money for a hotel. Oh man, it's cold. All right, goodbye 7-Eleven. Thank you for your hospitality. Till we meet again. Oh man, till we meet again. Sorry. We're leaving. We're heading to Chicago. All right. Got a pizza right there. Chicken barbecue pizza. McDonald's. Bunch of masks because you don't know what's going on. They might say, hey, we got a flu season. You need to put in your mask. Goodbye for your hospitality. It's been good. Good to know you, 7-Eleven. All right.
Continue on the road.
All right, continue on the road. Let's see. Let's make a signal. Oh man, God, that was a good sleep. That was very good. Well, guys, I have to wear my mask because I didn't put my false teeth. I'm missing one. I didn't put it in because I'm so lazy. It's hard to get up at 7-Eleven parking lot, stay there for all night, and just driving. We're gonna find somewhere to eat later. But what can we say, Woo! She's still sleeping. She's the sleeping beauty. Alright guys, guys. Alright. That shit down there. Look at that, we're in Chicago, dude. We're in Chicago. Coming in from what do you call it place? 7-Eleven, camping in there for the night. And we have Chicago on our side. Alright, we have to go exit 52B. And we're heading to the train station. And we're gonna camp over there too. Oh, no. Alright, just make sure that I'm gonna make sure that it's really doing good. Okay, we gotta make sure. 52B. Look at Chicago taking action. Spread the words about Chicago, dude. Woo. Alright, man. 52B towards Roosevelt Road. Look at that. Chicago, the American dream.
It's right there, coach.
Oh, right there. Alright, you go hold the camera. Oh my Lord. Help me, Mama.
Turn right on West Roosevelt Road.
I gotta turn right. we focus on the blogging, but you know. Alright, yeah. We focus on the blogging, but we focus on missing. We're on the missing our turn. But it's okay. It's, you know, alright. Check that out. Man, the Hancock building. No, that's not. That's a Sears Tower. I've been there like 3 times. Alright. Who is? Alright, let's go out. Make sure. Okay. Alright, we gotta. Alright.
Wait, you're gonna run the red light.
Oh, yeah.
In 1/4 mile,
We have
turn
to
left
because
on South Canal Street.
Oh,
we have to move because the ambulance. Yeah, we cannot just stop, you know, let them get free, so we have to go around. Okay. Alright. This is it. We're in Chicago, guys. You know, I'm gonna get my mask. There you go. That's Chicago with you, man. This is downtown. Check it out.
it's cold.
It's really nice here.
Garbage
Man, but
truck.
it's like 15 degrees. Oh man, looks nice. Yeah,
You don't want to get too close
look
to
at
that.
that. Yeah. All right.
Wait. 'cause there's-
Okay. Oh, no, no. Don't. All right, turn it off because I don't have no more battery.
Our seat.
Yes, we do need a receipt.
260.
So we're doing a.
What's
Yeah.
your phone? 804.
Yeah.
804.
33
Okay.
6. There you go. All right, we're trying to get to the train station and go to LA. We just parked our car over there. Let's go. We gotta use the restroom again. So, yeah. Oh, you need coffee, man. We're just traveling from Indiana to Chicago and to LA. All right, look at that. Look at all that. Chicago's big. All right. Chicago's big, dude. Look at that. Huge. Too much big, tall buildings. Union Station. All right. We're ready to rock. It's cold. No, I don't. This one here. Are we gonna see our ticket? It's not a bullet train, but which one we're doing? 2 o'clock, right here.
So it's called Southwest Street.
Yeah, Southwest. That's the one, right? Which one? Oh, on time. Southwest cheap. Okay, 250. All right, let's go down. All right, let me go use the restroom. Go ahead, you go first. Man, it's gonna be nice here.
I don't like when they do.
Yeah.
On one screen it says track 4.
Oh, really?
On one-
Man, this is a lot of people. There's a track. Track, right? Let's go find the restroom first. What track are you? Okay. Let's go out here. There's a lot of people here. Nice. Yeah. Oh, man. This is the Union Station. This is good. Looks pretty. All the art. Look at that. Nice. Architectures. Yeah. Let's see the tree. Let me see about the tree. Oh man. Nice. Look at that. I thought Europe is good. It's right here. It's nice. Look at the tree. Nice. Train station here. You know what? You know what? Hang on. It's a nice place here. Oh, they got a nice vending machine. Real nice. Yeah, look at that. Real nice vending machine. You got CVS vending machine. Yeah. Whoa. Oh,
It's like a full cake.
a full cake. That's not bad. And they got a farmer's fridge. And you got your latte or whatever. That's not bad. But yeah, juices. Yeah.